Use of information technology is growing in all areas, leading to a rise in crimes, especially cyber ones. To address this issue, a draft law strengthening cybersecurity was discussed at the plenary session of the Legislative Chamber of Oli Majlis. As per result, amendments and additions are being made to the Code of Administrative Responsibility.
The law on the Central Bank of Uzbekistan is being updated with additional provisions to ensure cybersecurity for credit and payment organizations, payment system operators and current exchanges. Consequently, the Central Bank is being granted several new powers. In the adopted law, we grant the Central Bank authority to establish fundamental cybersecurity requirements and principles for banks, non-bank organizations and payment system operators. Adhering to these requirements and principles is a key condition for obtaining a license. The draft law was adopted to regulate cybersecurity relations, ensure cybersecurity in banking and electronic government systems, and prevent crimes using information and communication technologies. The bill was discussed and passed in the third reading. The meeting also discussed a draft law that aims to recognize rights associated with land plots and buildings acquired informally. This draft law outlines procedures for confirming ownership of land and buildings, as well as the right to lease the land where a private house has been informally constructed. The bill is divided into 4 parts. The first part covers basics, conditions and land plot sizes. It defines 8 specific cases where plots of land are recognized as legitimately occupied. This recognition grants rights such as the right to rent land plots and the right to own building structures. Furthermore, the project specifies the legal foundation and process for declaring lease rights to land plots occupied by citizens exceeding the entitlement and to land plots occupied by residential areas within horticulture and viticulture company territories. The announcement procedure is being determined by the law. The cadastral agency begins the process, creates a list, and then publishes the announcement. This announcement is made public in the neighborhood and on the website to ensure that everyone is aware of their right to rent. For the recognition of property rights to real estate, the individuals who unlawfully occupied the land plot will be exempted from the penalties specified in the Code of Administrative Responsibility. After questions and discussions, the bill was approved.